Welcome to the AccuWeb hosting video tutorial. Today, we will see how to copy your SSH public key to a remote server for passwordless login. An SSH public key is like a lock on a server. Your private key is the matching key that lets you in. When you connect, the server checks your private key against the public key. This is safer than a password because only you have the private key. There are several ways to upload your public key. The easiest method is using SSH copy ID. We will see how to copy the public key to a remote server using SSH copy ID. The easiest way to copy an SSH key to a server is with SSH copy ID. It's simple and automatic if your server allows password login. Most Linux systems already have it. First of all, log in to your Linux system. Then use this command, replace username and remote_host. If this is your first time connecting to the server, you may see a message asking if you trust the remote host. Type yes and press enter to continue. The tool will look for your id_rsa.pub key on your local computer. It will then ask for your server password. For security reasons, you won't see what you're typing. Enter the password and press enter. The key will be copied to the server and saved in the authorized_keys file. Once the key is copied, you should see a message confirming that the key was added. You can now log in to the server using SSH without a password. That's all. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We saw, how do you copy your SSH public key to a remote server for passwordless login? If you like our technical videos, please press the subscriber button and bell icon to receive instant notification of our new videos. Each like is important to us, so do not forget to thumb up. To download a PDF file of this video, please subscribe to our Telegram channel, AccuWeb Hosting, where you will have the access of PDF files of all our videos. Thank you for watching.